Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me. Today we're doing the draw for the giveaway of my tag flip. This was my design team project for the Paper Bee this month. It was so cute. It was the Cherry Blossom kit. I'll link the Paper Bee's information down below so you can go and check her out. She has lots of cute kits. So anyway, today we're doing this giveaway. I'm sorry I was supposed to film this on Saturday, but my mom came into town for Mother's Day for the weekend and we hung out for a bit, so you had an extra couple days to get in. So it's Monday now. I'm going to paste the address for my video in. One winner. Do that. Get the comments. Okay, there were 5 comments. And we hit the start button. Oh, Jody Lewis Creations. Super cute make. I love how interactive the make is. The floppy outie is great. I literally chuckled when you said it. I say the same. Well, congratulations, Jody. I will have my email address in the comments down below. And when you send me your address, I will send this off to you. I appreciate everybody for watching and subscribing. I really do enjoy interacting with all of you and listening, reading your comments, replying. I've gotten to know a couple of people online and it's been really an awesome experience being on YouTube. But anyway, I'm just talking now. So congratulations, Jody. And that tag booklet's going to be out to you real soon. So thanks, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.